And we are back, video 3 of building a sales page with Thrive Architect from scratch. If you are interested in using the Thrive Themes products, Thrive Theme products, you can find an affiliate link below. I'd appreciate it if you went through that link. We're just going to continue building this sales page that we have here so far. We have the hero section, and we have the problem copy, the solution copy, and then kind of a transition into the product, which is here's how I can help you, and a little bit of proof here, and then introducing the start to finish PASA course. And then the next section is going to get into some more proof. And proof is basically, look, this course has helped other students just like it can help you, and let me show that to you. Because obviously, I can tell you that the course can help, but you need to hear from other people as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit with Thrive Architect. I'm going to set my timer. I'm trying to make these videos each about 30 minutes, and so let's dive in. So I've kind of I'm going to take from other sections in other sales pages that I have, so that's going to be kind of cool because a new thing that I can show you. And let's see, but I've also changed some of the copy from other sales pages for the proof sections. The proof sections, I want them to be a little bit more storytelling, like this. It has a clear voice. I'm getting much more, I hate this word, but more authentic in how I'm writing. I write this as if I'm literally just talking to someone. Instead of trying to be all salesy and whatever. I'm just trying to communicate, like, look, this course is going to help you, and these are the ways that I think is going to help you, So I'm happy about that. I think I could still improve, of course, but same with the proof section is I want it to be more storytelling, more like me just talking to you. Like, look, these are some results that some of my students have got. Just like that, write that down. Very simple. So another thing I want to do is just put a little bit more personality in here. What's the problem? So what's the problem? Something like that. So what's the problem? And then this, and the solution is, right? I don't know. I think it's just a little bit more engaging, right? So more kind of how I'd approach it. So what's the problem, right? And then obviously these are in quotes. So these are problems that the someone visiting this page would likely have, right? And these are the exact problems that I would try to solve, or that I think I do solve in the course. So I'm struggling to finish tracks. I'm struggling to get that professional sound. Those are just quotes from the VOC, from the voice of customer. Or is that right? Anyway, so, and the solution is, right, because that's exactly what they're wondering. I'm setting all the problems up, and they're like, well, what the heck do I do? And the solution is, and then I just give it to them right here if they want to read it. But if they want to go deeper, then of course I have more copy for them to read there. Okay, so here's how I can help. One thing I wanted to do was kind of bold or draw more attention to kind of the points of emotional resonance. I just made that up. Just the points that stand out a little bit. So something like this point right here, I think is poignant. Right there. The industry is still super underground and feels a bit alienated from new producers eager to learn and grow. I think that's so true. There's not much content on the style of music that this course makes or helps someone make. Okay, and so that's just something I had looking over in the last section before we get into the proof section. I just wanted to pop these things out because they stood out to me as I was kind of looking over this again. So okay, this is not stuff I need to pop out. All right. And yeah, I'll get some images in here. Like, for example, back in 2017, YouTube channels dedicated to music production were few and we definitely need this to say house music production. To house music production were few and far between, and good luck finding anyone talking about underground house or tech house. And so here I can have like a GIF of someone on the computer searching tech house. I can make my own GIF and then pop that in here, show 0 results or something. So that would be a funny thing to make. Anyway, anything down here? This looks kind of awkward, the formatting moving into this section. So let's fix that. So we're just going to move this into paragraph form, just like that. That looks a little bit better because we're bolding it, but it's not, it feels better. Okay, this is fine, whatever. All right, cool. So copy is okay. Chipping away at it for now. We're done chipping. Okay, we still have 25 minutes in this video. Next, we will then come back to the Google Doc here. So this is the next, so after releasing, so this is the next text section. And then we need to get into the testimonials. Okay, cool. Let's bring this up. And then, of course, we need to, put a content box in here. And then we will put a text box in the content box. And like usual, we will undo all the padding and the margin and all that. And we will come to the content box, main options, 600 width, and come to layout and position, center that, just like that. And then we will copy this. We will paste in the text. All right. And we need to have a little bit of padding here in the background section here. So the background section up here, we need to put 30 padding, right? That's what we've been doing in these other sections as well. We have been doing 20. I wonder if 20 is going to look a little too awkward here. I'm just thinking because there's so much space here. So maybe what we'll do is keep it 50. And then here, maybe we need 50 as well. I wonder. Yeah, I think so. I think just giving this a little bit more room to breathe is a good thing. Obviously, this has a lot more than 50 because of the, I'm not even sure what that's called. What is that called? The line spacing. Okay, the line spacing here. Obviously, I guess that's line spacing. But the line spacing below the text, 32 pixels. I wonder if I change the line height here, if that's going to change the pixel value. No. Okay, whatever. Maybe it does. Hold on. Line height. No, it doesn't. Okay, whatever. All right, cool. So here it is. So this is more like 80 pixels. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's just keep going. So after releasing this course over... I'm just trying to think because there is this cool element called a counter. Let's see if we can counter. Okay, cool. Counter. So let's... Is there a counter style? Are you kidding me? I can only do a circle? Main options, counter style, borders and corners. Ugh. Match fill value. Counter size. Okay, let's just see here. Fill percentage. That sucks. Damn, are you kidding me? Counter size, fill percentage. I can't change that. Okay. Circle. Damn. I'll show you what I was thinking though. So on the EDM, there's this cool counter that they have. It must be an Elementor element. And that's fine. It's not going to be the end of the world. Whatever. But like right here, this. That's really cool. I'm not sure if that's connected to anything too. I don't know. Let's see. Wonder if I could figure it out. See if it's connected to anything. It looks like you just put it in manually. Data duration. Span class. Data to value. It looks like it is. It says data from value. Anyway, doesn't matter. Looks like it's put in manually. That's fine. Okay. So coming back here. Let's get rid of this and we'll move on. Okay, so I thought that would have been cool to add like a little counter. What about a progress bar? I wonder if we can do something with this. Is there any kind of animation that happens? Background 20. Yeah, see, it's all percentage. This one, it seems like you have a little bit more control. It says progress bar. So you can change the text there. Can I put it in the middle? Inline text. There's no layout options. So let's just try this out. So 704. Okay. And then what we'll do is 100%. And is there any way to put this in the middle? It doesn't seem like it. So progress bar, add inner label. Fill, label color, layout and position. Let's see. Oh, you know what? No, there's no layout for this. Damn. All right. You know, you tried. Maybe if I do 704 plus producers, students. Okay, let's save this. And I wonder if it animates, if there's any kind of like animation with it. Ooh. There is an animation with it. That's kind of cool, but it's not quite right. It's not quite right. Okay, I don't know. I'm going to leave it for now, actually. I kind of like it. It moves, you know, it draws attention to the right thing, right? Okay, so we'll leave that there. And then the next thing is to come back over here. What's next? So we're going to start adding in some testimonials from some star students here. Let's see. Zach, cool guy, great music. Yeah, he's got a lot of stuff, cool stuff going on, I know. So we will start bringing in these testimonials here. And I'm just thinking. Let's see. I'm just trying to think where I'm going to put in like a picture. So, take a look. I'm going to drop in a background section below this one, just because it makes me uneasy that I can't. Let's just say you could just click and it'll add it to the bottom. There we go. Just makes it uneasy that I can't have a little bit more space here. So, okay. So what we need to do is add in an image. So we need to get, so we have this content box here. So let's add an image underneath here. So I wonder if we can find Zach. Zach is not there. Okay, where is Zach? Shit, okay, we got 15 minutes here. Let's try to knock this out. Zach. Where are you? There you are. What did I call this image? Oh, okay. Then we'll bring this down. Save. So if I jump over, I'm sorry, I'm being quiet because I'm just thinking. You know, I said these videos would be kind of messy because I'm doing this in real time. Maybe I'll bring in a template for the testimonials. This is kind of nice. Okay, so, let's jump over here. All right. Let's see. Let's go to, let's go to this content box, and I will duplicate it. And let's delete the progress bar and the text. And then let's go to, what is it? What do we need? We need a template. So let's come in here. Oh, you know what? I might have some templates. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. And then, so testimonial, let's come to the layout, 0, content box, 0. Oh, shit. So... Okay, so this is a big waste of time. What we need to do is, I'm wasting a lot of time on thinking about the design. Let's just get the content in, and then we can worry about the design. So is this my content box? This is my text. Okay. So we'll just go ahead. Zach Shell. Okay, I'm just trying to think how to get the pictures in, but okay. So let's come over here and we will just copy this, copy all this, and we'll drop it in. says blah. And then let's get the grammar right. It says maybe italics. So then we'll do a nice little update here. And then what we'll do is I don't know. Maybe we can try just putting this in really quick. Make it a lot smaller. That's kind of cool. Real simple. And then so what we'll do is, let's see, what size? 200? Maybe 150? 100? And then what we'll do is bring in the image that verifies the update. So we'll come in here and let's type in test. That might pop it up. Okay. So I might need to remake this in Pixelmator, which is what I use. Now I'm going to put a border around it just because it makes it a little bit nicer. So we have that, and then borders and corners, layout, and position. Okay, great. So it's clear, right? It's clear. It's clear what's going on. There's no confusion. And then we'll, yeah, you know what? That's fine. And then what we'll do is basically duplicate this here. And we need this to go below. So let's see. So I'm going to come over to the line height here. And you can see this is 32 pixels. So I'm going to jump over to here and try to give it the same space underneath the picture. So 32 pixels like that. Actually, but we are going to have a image. So another thing we can do. So this is going to be Ben. So let's go to this Ben Germain Blanc. YouTube. There we go. Nice. Okay. And then, okay, nice. Nice, got some plays there. Nice. Ooh, super close to 500K. All right, so what we'll do is, can I make... Let's see if we can just copy this. Like that. All right. So that's going to be the verification for Ben's awesome job getting on the Blanc. Probably my favorite YouTube channel for this type of music, the Tech House. Okay, so what we'll do is copy this text and we will paste it in here. Paste. Awesome. And then there we go. Italics. Did I... Okay, I kept the quotes. Yeah, I like that. It's a testimonial, right? You gotta have the quotes. I didn't say it. Someone else did. Okay. Update. Bold that. Like Okay, and then we will get in the image that we just took. So I'm going to go to image, and then we will come to upload files. Let's come to the desktop here. And this guy. Ooh, you know what? I can come to Pixelmator. Let's just edit this right now because I want to obviously draw attention to the right spot, and that's going to be Ben. So what we'll do is hit M. I'm going to copy this. So M. Just want to get a nice even kind of square. There we go. And copy, paste, create a new layer, hit V, Command D, and then we will open this up. And what we'll also do is maybe we'll change the style to put a little shadow in front of shadow. Okay, that looks horrible. Let's do blur 100. Kind of like that. There we go. And then, yeah. Okay, I wonder if we can maybe move it. Whatever. Okay, we don't need to get too crazy here. What we will do is draw a nice big arrow to this. And we'll make it a red color. Okay, that's the outline. We don't want an outline stroke. We want a fill, and we want it to be red. There. And there we go. Just like that. And is there a style on here? Let's get rid of any shadow. I don't want a shadow on the arrow. Styles, shadow. Let's get rid of the shadow. There we go. Fallout. Okay, so now I'm going to bring this way down. Is that clear enough? Maybe we need a bigger arrow. Okay. Okay, so maybe what we could do, now I'm getting really ridiculous here. We only have a couple minutes left. So with the stroke, maybe I can do something. What color might work as a stroke? Let's see. Let's increase the... Okay, that's popping out a little bit more, isn't it? Let's go to a nice even number. What's 10 pixels like? Okay, if I zoom out, does the stroke have any effect? Let's turn off the stroke. None. A little bit more crisp color. What if I change the stroke color to white? Ooh, really nice. Yellow? Nah, not much of a big difference, but white really makes it pop. Ooh, that looks good. Maybe I can make it even bigger. So, if we just increase this a little bit more, is that too much? I think it's good. Cool. Something like that. All right, we'll share and we'll export. And JPEG. Hopefully people will go and check out the track. Cool track. Can't remember if I... Okay, here we go. Let's go to just pictures, and we'll do Ben Blanc. Benny Blanco. All right, cool. So now we will select files, and we will upload this lovely testimonial picture, or this student success picture here. upload files. Let's go to media library, get rid of the text search. There we go. Insert. Awesome. And again, what we'll do is put a border around it just because it makes it a little bit cleaner. Just like that. Perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping it would look like. And then I need to fix this because I don't need to have all the blockouts. Okay, nice. Perfect. Okay, cool. So, and last thing we need to do here is add a picture. And let's see if we can find Ben. Okay, same thing, 150. 150. Okay, great. Oh, what's this? 100? Okay, so 100 then. All right, and then what we'll do is I'm going to put a divider, see if putting a divider in between these makes it a little bit cleaner. So if we drop this to 99999, one pixel, maybe if we, does that do anything? Not really. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Image effects. Let's come to layout and position. Okay, we'll put a 20 on the bottom there. Cool. All right. Nice. Okay, what's this? All right. So, okay, so all we did really is just add in these sections, but just trying to think about how to lay it out. And I think this looks okay. Okay, and so then the next section is just a more testimonial section, which is what kind of results can you expect. And then I'm going to take some behind the scenes screenshots along with some other proof here, and then we'll get into the what's inside the course part of the sales page. Okay, so let's go ahead and save and preview. We're using Thrive Architect to build a sales page from scratch. And just showing you everything that I can. I'm doing this live. This is going to be a live sales page. And I'm just trying to think, ooh, that's so fun. I think that's really cool. So let's start to finish. Okay, so if you are interested in the Thrive themes, is that right? Thrive themes? Thrive themes, that's hard for me to say. Thrive themes products, then I have a link in the description for you to check out their products. I use them, obviously. I'm using them now. And I highly recommend it. It's an affiliate link down below, so I appreciate it if you go through the link to purchase or to buy their their webware. Anyway, so this looks pretty good. I like it so far. Okay, we got the hero now. We got the problem copy, solution copy, kind of a story transition into the actual solution, which is the course. And then we have we're getting into the proof section. And then we'll get into the what's actually inside the course. Okay. So, all right. So let's end the video here. And then in the next video, we're going to get into some more proof. And hopefully we'll start getting into the offer section of the sales page.